In a much-anticipated decision, a California traffic court has thrown out a ticket issued to a woman for driving while wearing Google Glass. Cecilia Abadi appeared in San Diego traffic court Thursday. She was pulled over by California Highway Patrol for speeding in October. Once the officer saw she was wearing Google Glass, he tacked on an additional citation for operating a video display while driving. The device, which will soon be available commercially, can show text messages, emails, maps, and even take pictures and record video. It's considered the first time someone has been cited for wearing the face-mounted technology while behind the wheel. However, the judge in the case threw out the charge, stating there was not enough evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Abadi was operating the device at the time she was pulled over. In court, the officer who issued the ticket says Google Glass impaired Abadi's peripheral vision. However, Abadi, who wore her Google Glass after exiting the courtroom, says that's not true even if the video was activated.
Even with video up there, it won't create a blind spot for you?
No, even with video, no. Because like my video right now, I'm seeing it at this kind of height. So it's above the line of sight and I can see all of you right now.
The ruling could have major implications on the use of Google's new device as its commercial launch date nears, with defenders of the technology claiming Glass is safer to use while driving than a smartphone or hands-free device, since its functions can be voice-activated. CNN explains while the ruling was a win for Abadi, it won't give Google Glass wearers the green light to wear or use the device while driving. Google Glass wearers in California can still be pulled over and cited for wearing the head-mounted displays while driving. Whether they get a warning or a ticket will be up to the individual officer. Google did not release a statement on this specific case, but in its Glass FAQ section explains most states have passed laws limiting the use of mobile devices while driving any motor vehicle, and most states post these rules on their Department of Motor Vehicle websites. Read up and follow the law. It's unclear what stance, if any, Google will take on operating the device while driving. 3 states, Delaware, New Jersey, and West Virginia, have all drafted bills that would ban Google Glass specifically while driving. For Newsy, I'm John O'Connor.